Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll be starting exercise 9b, chapter number 9, ratio, rate, time and speed. This is page number 217. We'll be starting from question 1. Part A says, a typist types 1800 words in 1 hour. Words 1800, time is 1 hour. 1 hour minute, how many minutes? 60 minutes. Find the number of words that she can type per minute. So we need words per minute. It's a simple question. The question says that a typist is typing words typed by her in 1 hour, it means 60 minutes. There are 1800. Okay, so we need per minute typing words, so it means words per minute. Okay, so here we are looking for words per minute, so we converted this into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, words how many? 1800, just divided by minutes, 60 minutes. Simplify. The answer is 30 words per minute. Question 9b we are doing. Very simple question it was. So now we'll be moving to its part B. Part B says, if 120.99 is charged for 654 units of electricity, so cost is given this much dollar for consuming units 654. We need to find the cost of 1 unit of electricity. We need to find cost per unit. Okay, simple question. If $120.99 is charged for 655 units of electricity used, find the cost of 1 unit of electricity. Cost is given, units are given, we need to find per unit cost. Simply, cost per unit mean cost divided by unit. So cost is 120.99, units are 654. So we will be doing this calculation using a calculator. It becomes 0.185 dollars. So this was part B. Very simple. Part B, 0.19 is the answer. So if we round it off, it becomes 0.19 to 2 decimal places. Cost was given. This cost is for 654 units. Okay. If you use 654 units, then you pay this much amount. So we need to find cost for 1 unit. So cost will be divided by the number of units. So we will be getting the answer. Very simple. Now we will be doing part C of this question number 1. Part C is, a man pays a total of $4,800 in flat rental. So rent is how much? It is given $4,800 for 3 months. This is rent for time duration is how much? 3 months. Find his monthly rental rate, means rent per month. Okay, Rent is there $4,800. Time is there 3 months. So simply we'll do rent per month mean rent divided by month. Rent is how much? 4,800. Month is how much? 3 months. It becomes $1,600 per month. Very simple, easily we solve this. Now I'll be doing part D. If the mass of a metal bar which is 3.25 meter long, length is given. The metal bar is 3.25 meter long. Its mass is 15 kg. Mass is given. Find its mass per meter. We need to find mass per meter. Again, very simple question. It is mass divided by meter, okay, or mass divided by length. So mass how much? Mass is 15 divided by meter. Meter how much? 3.25 meter. So if we use the calculator, we will be getting the answer 15 divided by 3.25. It becomes 4.615. 4.61. It is mass, so it is kilogram. So part D is done easily. If you want to convert it into fractions, you can do like this: 15 over 3.25. Remove this point, it becomes 100. When it is double division, then we flip it. Flip means 100 will be upside, 325 will be down. 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30, 5 5s are 25. It becomes 365. But we can also 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Becomes 60 over 30, 13. So 60 over 30 mean 13 4s are 52. Okay, it becomes 4 over number 8 over 13. This answer is correct. This answer is also correct. It was very simple. We just divided mass with the length and we got 15 over 3.25. Then you have two options. If you want to give the answer in decimals, just make a simple calculation with using your calculator and you get the answer 4.61 kg. But if you want to bring the same answer which is in your book, so in that case you need to convert it into fractions. 15 over 3.25 means we just removed point from 3.25. We put 1 in the denominator, and on the right side of the decimal there were two digits, 2 and 5. So we put 2 zeros on the right side of denominator. So it became 15 divided by 325 divided by 100. So when we have double division, then we flip the things which are down. This is a complete denominator, you can say. It will be 100 over 325. Then we made simple calculations and we got the answer 4 whole number 8 over 13. This was again very simple question. So by this way we have completed question number 1. Now we will be doing question number 2. These are very simple questions. Ethan can blow 15 balloons in 20 minutes. Ethan can blow 20 balloons in 15 balloons in 20 minutes. 15 balloons in 20 minutes. Junvi can blow 18 balloons in 25 minutes. and Vishal can blow 16 balloons in 21 minutes. So assuming that all balloons are blown to the same size, who can blow balloons at the fastest rate? So Ethan is blowing 15 balloons in 20 minutes, 18 balloons in 25 minutes by Junwei, and we shall blow 16 balloons in 21 minutes. So we need to see who is the fastest. Okay, so we'll be finding the rate. A rate means balloons in 1 minute. Okay, so for Ethan, we'll be finding the rate, which is balloons per minute, balloons over time. Okay, how many balloons? 15 time 20 minutes. So if we divide 15 with 20, we get 0.75. So it means 0.75 balloon in 1 minute. For Janvi, it is same thing, rate, balloons over time. Balloons how many? 18 over 25. It becomes 18 divided by 25, 0.72. And for Vishal, so we are looking for rate, which is balloons over time. Balloons how many? 16 balloons over 21 minutes. We get 16 divided by 21, it becomes 0.76. So Ethan blows 0.75 balloons in 1 minute. Junwei blows 0.72 balloons per minute, and Vishal blows 0.76 balloons per minute. So by this way, Vishal is the fastest, because this is the highest of these two. Okay, so it was a very simple question, only the statement was given slightly long, but the question was very simple to handle. Now I will be moving to next question. Question number 3. For each ornament means jewelry, that a worker makes, he is paid $1.15. Okay. For one ornament, the wages are how much? $1.15. He makes 4 ornaments every 15 minutes. Okay, so 4 ornaments in how many minutes? 15 minutes. Find the amount earned by the worker. We need to see how much amount he will earn if he works for 3 hours. Okay, so work for 3 hours. So first we need to see in 3 hours how many ornaments he can make. We need to know the number of ornaments made, then that amount, that number will be multiplied with the salary or wage for one ornament. So we will be doing it in this way that in 15 minutes he makes 4 ornaments. If we multiply this with 4 and we multiply by 4, we get 60 minutes. How many ornaments? 16 ornaments. Very simple. In 15 minutes, if he is making 4 ornaments, we just multiply both sides with 4. So in 60 minutes, he will be, if time is more, so ornaments are more. In 60 minutes, he is making 160 ornaments. Okay. So 60 minutes means 1 hour. Okay. In 1 hour, he can make 16 ornaments. So he has time. He worked for 3 hours. So 1 hour is this. So we multiply. This is for 1 hour. If we multiply by 3, we multiply by 3 this side. So in 1 hour 16 ornaments, in 3 hours 16 multiplied by 3. 40 ornaments. 48, sorry. So if he was making 4 ornaments in 15 minutes, so we multiplied both sides with 15, we got the answer that, we multiplied both sides with 4 and we got the answer that in 60 minutes, that in 1 hour he can make 4 into 4, 16 ornaments. So we have 3 hours, so we multiplied both sides with 3. In 1 hour he is making 16 ornaments. In 3 hours he will be making 48 ornaments. Okay. So we found out that is, if he is working 3 hours, so he will be making 48 ornaments. Okay. We know that the cost of one ornament is $1.15. So cost of 480 ornaments will be 1.15 into 480. So we'll just multiply 480 into 1.15. It becomes 552. This is the answer for question number 3. It was simple question. Here we have made some mistake. 1.15 multiplied by, no, we did something wrong. Actually, this is 48. Sorry, not, this is ornament. This is over here. So we'll do 48 ornaments. Okay, so it will be multiplied by 48. Okay, so in that case, 48 multiplied by 1.15, it becomes 55.2. It means 55.2 or 55.20 are the same. Remember one thing, making mistake is not a problem even in the exam, but the thing is, you should have a mind, you should be vigilant enough to understand where did you make the mistake. So identify that mistake and correct that mistake immediately. Okay. So, but that comes with the practice. If you have a practice, then even if you make a mistake, you can identify and you can recover from that problem. Okay. So again I'll recap. It was given that for each ornament that a worker makes, he is paid $1.15. One ornament, this much amount. He makes 4 ornaments every 15 minutes. 4 ornaments in 15 minutes. He has a time of 3 hours, so how much he will be getting in terms of dollars? So we just multiplied these two with 4 and 4. So in 60 minutes, 16 ornaments. It means in 1 hour, 16 ornaments. We have 3 hours. We will multiply with 3. So it means 16 into 3, 48 ornaments. He will be making 48 ornaments in 3 hours. So we just multiplied 48, the total ornaments, by the value cost of one ornament and the wage for one ornament. So we just multiplied and we got 55.20. So this is the answer for question number 3. It was not difficult, but this chapter, all the exercise, you need to understand the statement, what is given in the wording. If you can understand the statement, then you can easily solve the problem.